bedtime. C is for cat that says meow meow. D is for dog that says bow wow. E is for elephant, big and tall. Stomp, 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 hear the call. A, B, C, come with me. Woo, 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 woo. Hey, hey. A, B, C, come with me. Woo, 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 woo. Hey, hey. F is for fish that swims in the sea. G is for goat climbing happily. E, down. H is for hat we wear on our heat. I is for ice cream, yum, it's spread on. J is for jump, jump up high. Reach your hands up to the sky. Jump up 3 times, jump up 3 times. Jump, jump, jump up 3, hey, hey. Jump up 3 times, jump up 3 times. Oh, jump, jump up 3, hey, hey. K is for kite flying in the sky. L is for lion with the mighty cry. M is for monkey swinging on a tree. N is for nest with birds, 1, 2, 3, and O is for orange, juicy and sweet. Clap your hands and tap your feet. Jump up 3 times, jump up 3 times. Oh, jump, jump up 3, hey, hey. Jump up 3 times, jump up 3 times. Oh, jump, jump up 3, hey, hey. E is for umbrella when it rains. O, G is for van driving in lanes, lanes. W is for whale swimming so deep. X is for X-ray bones we keep. Hey. Y is for yak with long thick hair. Z is for zebra with stripes so rare. A, B, C, come with me. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hey, hey. A, B, C, come with me. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hey. A, B, C, come with me. Let's explore from A to Z. Now we know our A, B, C. Sing again. 1, 2, 3. From A to Z we had some fun, learning letters one by one. Sing again and you will see you're a star at ABC.